Central team reaches HDP for assessment of centrally sponsored schemes. APHLC hold protest rally against peace accord subclause 2.3 in Puloni. Hello and good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News with your host Julie Bebe. Now let's look into the news in details. Two members from the National Level Monitoring Committee on Monday visited Desoi Crow village inside HDP under the Bokachan block to assess the implementation of the centrally sponsored schemes, including the houses constructed under IAY, PMGSY and other schemes related to water, electricity and road among others. The central team member was accompanied by Bokachan Block BDO Monjulita Ronghangpi, Assistant BDO Mira Rajbongshi and Moniram Togbi, Assistant Engineer Mukul Naiding and staff of the Bokachan Block. While speaking to local media, Bokachan BDO informed that the two members from the National Level Monitoring Committee who are in Karbi Anglong are only visiting 3 blocks, which are Sami Rangso Block, Langsomepi Block and Bokachan Block. An assessment of the centrally sponsored schemes under these 3 blocks are being conducted.
National Level Monitoring Committee pula Central Team lo.
Central Team lo di.
Delhi pensewang.
Bangkan hodak benang itoy.
La bahini wet ancol.
Lanang li block under arong ani dam labji pia lama.
Kali selected hadi arong kli.
Rong
Mana
pivot.
latum district isi long hadi. Homosti kali lo block ke thom. Block ke thom select lo itum Karbi Anglong bang block ke thom kapuri don ke. Sami langso ang kelang sumipi impen badak Bokachan Block. Askim tin along po langji pun hai. Skim po langji pula la sila swateng. Askim avedara di me ke thom wet pote ke thom paklang lo. Hini wet si do chot pote hini paklang lo. Impen pine troxiner ke askim do kok suppose PMYG ahem la hoi do pot la hoi bang ke minimum po pul hai. La swateng pen paklang lo.
Vijay Rongpis report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference Party of Puloni constituency held a massive protest rally to express their strong opposition against the subclause 2.3 of the peace accord. Here is a report. The protest rally commenced at Thogbam Rongpi village and was concluded at the Habe Crow village, and more than 200 people took part in the torch rally on Monday evening. The regional party in their steer described that subclause 2.3 completely undermined the 6th schedule and therefore is meaningless and unacceptable to the people of the hill districts. While speaking to local media, Puloni APHLC President Thoniram Timong stated that the torch rally was held to express their strong opposition against the specific content of the recently signed peace accord, which was signed between the 6 underground groups and the government of India.
Long live Karbi Anglong down. APHLC long live. Clause 2.3 down. Break long liti. No autonomous state. Rakyat sesong pangtang nang ma. Rakyat sesong pangtang nang ma. Rakyat jakong pangtang nang ma. Rebel unity long live. Six schedule long live. Unity long live. No separate electoral.
The Puloni APHLC president further stated that subclause 2.3 would completely destroy the constitutional protection granted to the tribals by the constitution, and therefore it must be immediately scrapped without any further delay. He also informed that their party would be forced to take up stronger movement if the demands of their party and the people of the hill districts are not fulfilled.
MOS along banke hala point 2.3 hala bangso close banke ladake kechok che theglor athe people se kechok che make ilitum 6 sidula constitution labangso 6 sidula constitution along le kosonji open for all seat cap ke dukoklo hala bangso alam the bensi pini en bensi nilitum labangso we kimi labangso Puloni constituency pensi tame ilitum ning pung chepaklang lo lapen sarkar lapen labangso Karbi Anglong tim Karbi Anglong phanta isi kecuning ri bangkela hanlo lapen la so song to mana isi kecuning ri bangkela hanlo nang litum labangso seat open for all seat ke babang ke nang litum prap jin pe labangso central gobolong halabangso MOS alam don along bangke labang so sit ke bangke chu thai nang po chu thai the pulo dang te ni tum bangke la so ka che song bangke ing ton te lo
ke chok che ke thek dam long bang ke ilitum madu da chini je ilitum Karbi Anglong ke la ke ST area ke angton along le phi lang pir the ka do be an yon niti ben cheng lok si ilitum farman inglong so tum farman tai de kupi bo si 10 for all pider lo lada ini oi me la so joini si piniar ni la son da me chi song nang ko lada angku kisung the pi ji piniar ni ilitum sung se sita pena dik ilitum aso asu atuma adin si sungji laki pura clearly nili chi chada la so joini si chi song nang ko
Dear Chona Rongpes report from Poloni, Karbi Anglong Live. Three villages comprising of Gobin Rongpi, Samtaro and Tokbiso Pangcho village on Tuesday met Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron and held discussion on several issues faced by the people. A representation was also submitted to the Municipal Board Chairman highlighting their issues. A delegation from the three villages led by KSA CEC Assistant Publicity Secretary Lalit Swartaro met the Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron at 1 p.m. during which they acquainted him of various problems of the area. The delegation stated that PHE of the area was not functioning, due to which villagers remain deprived of safe drinking water. The delegation further stated that the appalling condition of the road have been the main cause which is impacting on the education of their children, pointing out that the non-pliable condition of the road are preventing students and teachers from reaching their classes on time. The villagers also pointed out that power supply to their villages are very irregular and was affecting on their entire life of the villagers, including children in their studies and their entire life. The delegation led by the KSACEC Assistant Publicity Secretary informed local media that the purpose of their meeting was to seek help and information regarding developmental schemes and projects for their villages following recognition of township to Dokmoka area.
Dokmoka town committee long kebang lam kebang la pulo non la town committee kepang dangpon la sopang dangpon along nilitung lapunata samparo rong gubin rong pirong la pen kabiso punto la rong thom arada tum sitame non itung town angkang doduning tung kamatha pompen nilitung la bangso alu town committee chairman kai President Saphan pajin ponlo ate nilitung ta kedo dak Dokmoka pen kache lo 4 km sido lasi labangso 4 km ate bokhet highway labang sorong sistame Dokmoka town angkang nang paru pon jipusi nilitum arong ratpen nitum bangso alu pajir pon.
Meanwhile, Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron also told local media that they would look into the issues highlighted in the memorandum and official interaction with the delegation team of the three villages would soon be taken up for discussion to pursue their demands.
Kecing sin itu Februari ceklo sin itu survei berapa? Februari ceklo survei berbangke mengalang itu lah. Kamarat atau mangke hasil mangke itu palu konflik. Sitame alang itu mendunang le rong lote kita accept nang toko aku alota accept lo. Dokmoka rat akum ta je Karbi itu ta horatia dalam dam nangi. Itu signboard pidam nangi kita ceroi pun. Singon mentusi keklaim panima mentus daima ken di non yaro ben tingki chulang kopo mondor SK tihanan kopo laso survey dat penafi isi alang itaman raja langkap pen raja kitunku.
Sarbang Ring Tigathars report from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of medical Khonsing Rongpi on Tuesday distributed mosquito nets and waving urns to villages of three villages under the Hawarkehat MSC constituency. Here is a short report. The mosquito nets and waving urns were distributed to villages of Jengbe, Etho Rongpi and Mohori Rongpi by EM Khonsing Rongpi in a program which began at 11 a.m. The elected representative was accompanied by Hawar Kehat BJP Mandal General Secretary Milaram Bora, Sakti Kendra in charge, Noren Rongpi and others. While interacting with local media, EM Khonsing Rongpi stated that the visit and distribution of mosquito nets and urns to the people of the 3 villages under the Hawar Kehat constituency was made as part of birthday celebration of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, under whom the country has made tremendous strides. He also informed that the villagers have apprised him of the problems and issues they are facing, which include water, electricity and road. Further, the KACEM also stated that the matter would be personally taken up with Council Chief CEM Tuliram Ronghang.
Nilidum dak dhorong pirong pen athak rong pirong chitimalan nangkeron mohori rong pirong chitimalan nangkeron nangkeron athe bangke ilidum kiching honnai Bharat alongri lapen ke pirtheng bong kangtang nai Prime Minister age hai Narendra Modi amhang ke theka puthak si dagni lipni rong nangke humri lapen rong asor pen chihu chipudlo rong asor kisung ke boyala mandane ne chini ponlo lapen ke Narendra Modi amhang ke theka puthak nilitum haurahat angkang along medical health camp ako bipon thuji lapen ke Prime Minister Narendra Modi amhang ke thek aputhak ta nilitum amonitum afan la ok apran kimi afan lang mi lahai tamani nilitum dak haurahat angkang along am susi ke pachitang pon nilitum bori pon
Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawar Kehat for Karbi Anglong Live. The Puloni Cooperative Lamb Society had on Tuesday held their annual general meeting. Here is a short report from our correspondent. The meeting was chaired by the chairman Bida Rongpi and attended as guests by Mohendra Bey, Puloni Lamb Secretary Jimbu Timung and observer John Timung from Dipu. The chairman informed the House that due to COVID restrictions, many of the members, dealers and shareholders could not make it to the meeting. It was also stated in the meeting that the lambs had made tremendous development in the last couple of years through various works. They also committed to continue with their good work and serve the public with honesty and sincerity. Several key points relating to the upcoming activities of the lambs were also discussed during the meeting.
Koloni Cooperative Society, Dem Cooperative Society, INP, Ninkan ke thom arta ke chok itu AGM, ame maderat, ame itu konan itu, tapi itu, atau be COVID protocol, ada nothing, dan bagi itu mungkin bang pokep pun ada hede ke gede nong le pun bentuk ini, limited tukar manin deng masih itu memang tukar ini loh, tapi yang sambil pen tuntunan di telur, nah ben yang sambil pen sih tuntutan tukar.
Dirjana Rongpi from Puloni, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.